ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു സനാസ് എഡ്യൂ ടിപ്സ്. 2019 ജൂണിൽ കഴിഞ്ഞ കേറ്റഡ് കാറ്റഗറി 3യുടെ സൈക്കോളജി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സുമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: ദി അപ്രോച്ച് വിച്ച് ഈസ് നോട്ട് സൂട്ടബിൾ ഫോർ ക്ലാസ് റൂം മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് അക്കാഡമിക് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ എൻകറേജ് ഇനിഷ്യേറ്റീവ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ബിഹേവിയർ റീഇൻഫോഴ്സ്മെൻറ്റ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി build excitement for content, option D give corporal punishment. Answer D, give corporal punishment. A teaching technique especially used in teachers pre-service education to train them teaching skills systematically is option A team teaching, option B micro teaching, option C models of teaching, option D shared teaching. Answer option B micro teaching. The individual's personality is the product of maturation and experience. Option B learning and morality, option C heredity and environment, option D nature and learning. Individual personality is the product of heredity and environment. Option C is the right answer. Next one: the addictive use of legal and illegal substances by adolescents is called option A delinquency, option B psychosis, option C neurosis, and option D substance abuse. The addictive use of legal and illegal substances by adolescents is called option D substance abuse. The study of perception and behavior from the standpoint at an individual's response to configurational wholes is option A constructivism, option B cognitivism, option C conditioning, option D Gestalt theory. Answer option D Gestalt theory or Gestalt theory. If past memories inhibit an individual's full potential to retain new memories, it is referred as option A retroactive interference, option B proactive interference, option C memory traces, option D retrieval. The answer is option B proactive interference. Levin's field theory can be expressed by the formula. Levin's field theoryയുടെ ഫോർമുല ഏതാണെന്നാണ്. അതിൽ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഫങ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് പി ഇ എന്നതാണ് റൈറ്റ് ആൻസർ. ഓപ്ഷൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ വെറുതെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവും, അതുകൊണ്ട് പറയാതെ പോയത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഫങ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് പി കോമ ഇ. അതായത് ബിഹേവിയർ ഈസ് ദ ഫങ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് സൈക്കോളജിക്കൽ പേഴ്സൺ പി, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആൻഡ് ദ സൈക്കോളജിക്കൽ എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റ് ഇ. ഓക്കെ, ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഫങ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് പി കോമ ഇ. Next one: the curriculum constructed by Kerala State rooted on the ideas articulated in the National Curriculum Framework NCF is named as option A KCF 2007, option B KCF 2005, option C KSCF 2007, option D KSCF 2005. ഇതിലേതാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ KCF 2007. A specific learning disability that affects reading and related language-based processing skills can be called option A dysgraphia, option B dyslexia, option C dyscalculia, option D dyspraxia. Option B dyslexia is the correct answer. Which stage is not involved in the memory process? Interference, encoding, storage, retrieval. Which stage is not involved in the memory process? Memory process പെടാത്തത്. സോ ഇവിടെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഇൻ്റർഫറൻസ് ആണ്. Which of the following is a developmental disorder? Option A, conduct disorder. Option B, autism. Option C, depression. Option D, phobia. Developmental disorder is autism. An Act of the Parliament of India which describes the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between the age of 6 to 14 years is A. NCF, option B. KCF, option C. RTE, option D. PWD. Answer is option C. RTE. Right to Education Act. According to Piaget, the cognitive process that manages how we take in new information and incorporate that new information into our existing knowledge. Option A, accommodation. Option B, assimilation. Option C, shaping. And option D, insight. Answer, option B, assimilation. Which of the following strategy is most suitable for inclusive education? Option A, multisensory teaching. Option B, peer tutoring. Option C, cooperative learning. Option D, all of the above. Most suitable for inclusive education എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് option D, all of the above. National Curriculum Framework NCF was framed in option A 2004, option B 2005, option C 2003, option D 2009. NCF was framed in the year option B 2005. Kohlberg theory is based on A. Psychosocial development, B. Moral development, C. Social development, and D. Cognitive development. This Kohlberg theory is based on option B, moral development. Next question. Motivation comes from within the student or from factors inherent in the task being performed is called option A, intrinsic motivation, option B, extrinsic motivation, option C, reinforcement, and option D, feedback. Motivation comes from within the student or from factors inherent in the task being performed is called intrinsic motivation. Option A, intrinsic motivation. Assessment that measures a student's performance based on mastery of a specific set of skills. Option A, criterion referenced. Option B, norm referenced. Option C, benchmark assessment. Option D, diagnostic assessment. Option B, norm referenced. Okay, assessment that measures a student's performance based on mastery of a specific set of skills is norm referenced. Next one, the personal and corporate rules that govern behavior within the context of a particular profession. Option A, balanced personality. Option B, emotional maturity. Option C, competency. Option D, professional ethics. Option D, professional ethics is the right answer. Which of the following is not developmental task of adolescents? Option A, learning to get along with friends of opposite sexes. Option B, becoming more self-sufficient. Option C, making decisions about marriage and family life. Option D, grasping leads to other fine motor skills. Your question not a developmental task. So, grasping leads to other fine motor skills is the right answer. Which of the following is not a learner-centered teaching strategy? Option A, cooperative learning. Option B, brainstorming. Option C, discussion. Option D, direct instruction. ഇതിൽ option D, direct instruction is not a learner-centered teaching strategy. Then which among the following is the least affecting factor? ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, least affecting factor എന്നാണ് question. Least affecting factor in learning. Option A motivation, option B social status, option C intelligence, option D interest. Answer option B social status. Behaviors are echoed through associations between stimuli and responses. The theory associated with this view is option A constructivism, option B cognitivism, option C behaviorism, option D Gestalt theory. Stimulus response. So the option C behaviorism. An unconscious process where painful experience, shameful thoughts, etc. are removed from conscious mind by pushing down them to unconscious mind. Option A regression, option B suppression, option C aggression, and option D repression. The answer is option D repression. An unconscious process where painful experience, shameful thoughts, etc. are removed from conscious mind by pushing down them to unconscious mind is repression. Memory that allows recall for a period of several seconds to a minute without rehearsal is termed as sensory memory, B short-term memory, C long-term memory, and D episodic memory. Option B short-term memory. The influence of friends, especially of adolescents, and most often a major contributor to the initiation of substance abuse is option A peer pressure, option B group pressure, option C cohesion, option D intrapersonal relationship. Option A peer pressure is the right answer. A good description of progressive teacher is A follows traditional style of teaching, B reservoir of content knowledge, C allows flexibility in classroom, option D follows linear instruction. A good description of progressive teacher is allows flexibility in classroom. Option C allows flexibility in classroom. According to Gagne's hierarchy of learning, which of the following does not focuses on the cognitive aspect? Does not focuses on the cognitive aspects. Option A problem solving, option B principal learning, option C signal learning, and option D concept learning. Does not focuses on the cognitive aspect is signal learning. Signal learning which signal learning എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് related to behavior aspect ആണ്. Okay, signal learning is the right answer ഇവിടെ. The humanistic model of hierarchy of needs was developed by A. Carl Rogers, B. Eric Berne, option C. Abraham Maslow, and option D. Erikson. Humanistic model of hierarchy of needs was developed by Abraham Maslow. Option C. Abraham Maslow. The applications of skills, knowledge, and attitude that were learned in one situation is transferred to another situation. Another learning situation is called A. Readiness, B. Reinforcement, C. Transfer of learning, and D. Principles of learning. So here the application of skills, knowledge, and attitude that we are learned in one situation is transferred to another situation. So answer is option C, transfer of learning. Chief exponent of social constructivism. Option A Vygotsky, option B Gagne, option C Piaget, and option D Ausubel. Chief exponent of social constructivism is option A Vygotsky. A system of school-based evaluation of students that covers all aspects of students' development. Option A, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Option B, formative evaluation. Option C, summative evaluation. And option D, product evaluation. A system of school-based evaluation of students that covers all aspects of students' development is CCE, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Learning theory that focuses on reinforcement is option A, Skinner's operant conditioning, Thorndike trial and error, option C, Pavlov's conditioning, and option D, Gestalt theory. Learning theory that focuses on reinforcement is option A, Skinner's operant conditioning. The period during which the reproductive system matures can be termed as option A, childhood, option B, puberty, option C, later adolescence, and option D, adulthood. Answer option B, puberty. According to Piaget's sensory motor stage, the object continue to exist even when they are hidden from view. This is termed as option A, assimilation, option B, object permanence, option C, visualization, option D, accommodation. Answer object permanence, option B, object permanence. Which among the following is not a trait of gifted student? Option A, unusual alertness, option B, excellent memory, option C, rapid learner, option D, stupidity. Which among the following is not the trait of gifted students? So option D, stupidity. Adjustment mechanism in which individual tries to defend himself by blaming others for his own fault is option A, projection, option B, compensation, option C, regression, and option D, repression. Answer option A, projection. Adjustment mechanism in which individual tries to defend himself by blaming others for his own fault is projection. The ability to come up with new ideas through a mental process of connecting existing concepts. Option A, motivation, option B, creativity, option C, intelligence, and option D, interest. The ability to come up with new ideas. So that is option B, creativity. The psychosexual development theory is proposed by A, Carl Rogers, B, Freud, C, Jung, option D, Piaget. Option B, Sigmund Freud. According to Erik Erikson, the psychosocial development stage of adolescence is related to option A, trust versus mistrust, option B, industry versus inferiority, option C, ego identity versus role confusion, and option D, initiative versus guilt. According to Erikson, the psychosocial development stage of adolescence is related to ego identity versus role confusion. Okay friends, 2019 കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറും നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. സോ താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. ഈ ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയി തോന്നുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.